Welcome back, everybody.
All right, we're idling out for the first tournament of the year, Tyrone Bassmasters, on the Sweetwater, baby. You know what time it is. Time to slap them down. 3 fish limit, 15 inch. It's time to get to work. We're boat number 2 today. It's my first tournament on the Sweetwater, going out of 7 Points Marina. Bro, cheat up towards these buoys. I ain't out racing nobody. Y'all should just let me go now. You'd beat me to Mount Margaret 3 and give me a 5-minute head start.
Oh, I will.
For sure.
I'll see you down there.
I'm heading this way.
Hey, we're going to 345. 3 fish, 15 inches. Life jacket on with the motors running.
And then you see me scramble to grab my vest out from underneath the seat. Here we go. Here we go. And here comes all the bass guys. One after the next. Just gonna blow right by me. That's all right. And we're here. Get that Minn Kota Tarova in the water. I probably should have wiped the camera off. It's covered in rain, but it was cold, rainy. Get that A-rig out there. But it was all worth it as soon as this happened. See fish busting in the back. We're on them. Oh, I was pumped. Got the second big one on the horn. It's like 8:30 in the morning. Oop, net's in the back. Boat flip. Ronnie Leonard's swim bait doing work. Oh, we're getting on today, baby. This video should be sponsored by Mountain Dew. The Smithwick jerkbaits catch everything. One more, baby. Every time I look in this live well, I get pumped. 3 big small ones, about 4 1/4 each. So we got an hour till weigh-in. Stay tuned. See if I win. Stephen Page in his first bass tournament ever with the assist. I caught that third one after my camera died, but we got 3 giants. Another meatloaf. 3 fish. Walking up to the scale with a big bag like, how did you want it?
What do you have, Tyler? You're pretty small.
Probably. Where he was sitting. He got all smallmouth.
Gotta do lunker first.
Is that longer?
Yeah.
No, he did move down the shoreline there for a little.
420.
420.
Isn't that appropriate?
Weird.
All right.
You need 2 bags there, Ed?
Jeez,
I got it. I don't know what you do with all
you
these.
doing all them big fish in there, Ed?
What we got? You know what I mean? What we doing?
Magnified.
Bill sitting on it?
Were you trying to grow something there?
Nope. Not trying to.
I've never seen you with a beard.
12,
No, I was talking about your beard.
12, 68.
You're losing weight. They're not gaining. You're still losing weight.
All right.
I'll try to handle your 2 biggest to you. Make life easier.
I don't know. As many times as you've had it on in the last month.
Feisty. I can get a couple stills from this. 2 good smallies. 3 good smallies. Send them back. There goes 1. And 2. Oop. Get going. And 3.
436. Yeah, what do you have?
2 smallmouth and a largemouth.
What was that? 436.
Yeah, 436.
It'll take you 2 minutes.
You got me 2 locks for it.
33.
That's important.
Yeah, that's pretty
Better than what you thought.
That's what he said.
I wasn't lying then when I said I had 2 for 8. I would be about to have been right.
You know what's sad? You want pictures or not?
Yeah, I'll just put them on.
Okay. You know what's sad is any other year, you'd be sitting really down pretty.
Right? You know what I mean?
My last call there.
Here's your killer.
That is my killer.
Yep. 524.
That's why they call him the champ.
14 something.
13.
I fished 10 April tournaments and 8 of them I've zeroed.
The waves were this high.
Hey, hold up.
That's where we were.
Got him. Seth, what's the highest game you ever bowled?
289.
289. So what's that? When did you miss one?
11th frame.
Oh man. Second ball of the 10th frame. Oh my goodness. That's close as he ever came.
Got 18 700 series this year.
Good bowler, man. Good bowler.
Lunker? I think so. It ain't gonna matter. Hang on. Yeah, the darkest one was lunker. Somebody write, can you write that?
458. 459. I'll give you 459. That's where it's at.
Scale must be right.
Close?
It said 459.
Oh, nice.
But you were specifically
1276.
See, that's what I need here. See what it's got. My doctor says you better start using one, Dan.
567. And it's at 1430. 1430.
for you, kid.
Good bag, man. Good bag.
That one.
I'll look down.
No, I'm not close to you.
Nice larger. RD.
466.
That one's actually a hair smaller than this one.
Oh, that one's got a nice belly on it.
Yeah.
Well, there's 2 large now, 3 large now.
You totally ruined our reputation.
Yeah, really.
Man, I had 3 brown ones, you had 3 green ones. What the hell's going on with that?
1320.
1320.
Can't figure out who won the live.
Yeah.
Somebody's dues, maybe?
Yeah, I have it separate.
1276, 1268. Is that right?
20 of us here today. Pretty good for Mark. Thanks, sir. We paid 5 places. 5th place 1268, Tyler Furrow.
Go, Tyler. First time you kid, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
You've been nice up here. Moved around a little bit today.
Fourth
He
place,
did move.
1276, Aaron Wright. Third place, 13.14, Joe Stanowski. Second place, 13.20, Lynn Wheeland. First place, Ann Lunker, 14.30, 567 Lunker, Matt Savino.
It's a big bonus.
For everybody that knows, Matt's pissed and moaned all week long that he didn't catch any fish last week in practice.
I didn't. I like my past 4 outings. I didn't even catch a keeper.
Like I said, he called us 10 times. 10 times he called us.
He's all spun out.
Well, I'll take a top 5. Pumped about that, man. So, well, gear up. And we got a tournament at the Yacht, but it's not till June. So next week, RBBC tournament back here. Me and Jeremy Fisher trying to slap him down. Later.